Hello everyone. Question is, which role would know the most about the progress toward a business objective or a release and be able to explain clearly the alternatives? Option A, the product owner. Option B, the release manager. Option C, the development team. Option D, the scrum master. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which role is responsible for engaging with stakeholders? Option A, the team lead. Option B, the business analyst. Option C, the project manager. Option D, the development team. Option E, the product owner. Correct answer is option E. Question is, what is a product owner responsibility that he or she might delegate? Option A, writing user stories. Option B, ordering the product backlog. Option C, representing stakeholders to the Scrum team. Option D, attending the sprint review. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of these tools is mandatory for the product owner to use? Option A, release burn up chart. Option B, burn down chart. Option C, version control. Option D, project Gantt chart. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is option E. Question is, which is the best description of a product owner? Option A, requirements developer. Option B, value optimizer. Option C, team leader. Option D, go between development team and stakeholders. Correct answer is option B. Question is, what activities would a product owner do during an active sprint? Option A, engage with the stakeholders and answers from the development team. Option B, prioritize the sprint backlog. Option C, participate at the daily scrum. Option D, update the burn down chart. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, who manages the progress of work during a sprint? Option A, the Scrum Master. Option B, the product owner. Option C, the team lead. Option D, the development team. Correct answer is option D. Question is, how much work must a development team do to a product backlog item it selects for a sprint? Option A, an equal amount of time on analysis, design, programming, testing, and documentation. Option B, as much as it has informed the product owner will be done for every product backlog item it selects in conformance with the definition of done. Option C, all development work and at least some testing. Option D, as much as it can fit into the sprint. Any remaining work will be moved to a subsequent sprint. Correct answer is option B. Question is, how often should development team membership change? Option A, frequently in order to share knowledge. Option B, as needed while taking into account a short-term reduction in productivity. Option C, never, as it conflicts with the Scrum process. Option D, as needed as long as it does not impact productivity. Correct answer is option B. Question is, what is the recommended size for a development team within the Scrum team? Option A, 3 to 9. Option B, minimal 5. Option C, 3 plus or minus 2. Option D, 9. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what development team structure is best suited to produce integrated increments? Option A. Every development team has the abilities to develop functionality from beginning to end throughout all technical layers. Option B. Each development team specializes in one technical layer of the system, for example, GUI, database, middle tier interfaces. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what should a development team do if it realizes it has selected too much work after starting the sprint? Option A. Modify the definition of done to ensure all the product backlog items can be done by the end of the sprint. Option B. Work with the product owner to remove some work or product backlog items as soon as possible. Option C. Add additional team members to handle the extra work. Option D. Continue working and update the product owner at the sprint review. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.